Hi everyone, welcome to Travel World. I'm Emily, and today I hope you are ready for another great guide. We are off to the fabulous Mexico City, and we are going to show you what can be done here with children. This vibrant city is not only bursting with culture and history, but it is also incredibly child-friendly. That's right everyone, we are about to uncover the top 10 spots that will have your little ones saying, "Otra vez." From interactive museums that make learning fun to thrilling amusement parks that will have them screaming with delight, Mexico City has something for every little explorer. Your children could be budding artists, history buffs, or just love to have a good time. This city has got you covered. So, if you're planning a family trip to Mexico City and wondering where to take your little adventurers, you have come to the right place. Get ready to discover hidden gems and iconic landmarks that will spark your children's imagination and create unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you love Mexico City or what your favorite city for families is. Let's go! First up on our list is a place where learning and fun collide. The Papalote Children's Museum. This place is basically a giant playground for curious minds with interactive exhibits galore. Imagine a museum where children can touch everything, experiment and learn through play. That's Papalote in a nutshell. From exploring the human body to conducting science experiments, your children will be entertained for hours. They can even step into a simulated earthquake and try their hand at being a pilot. Talk about a dream come true for any child who loves planes. The museum encourages the children to ask questions and explore their creativity. It is the perfect place to ignite their curiosity. Who wouldn't want to spend the day building a giant bubble, creating their own animated films, or learning about the wonders of space? So, if you are looking for an educational and engaging experience for your children in Mexico City, the Papalote Children's Museum is an absolute must-visit. Your little ones will thank you for it. Next up, for our second spot, we are heading to Six Flags Mexico. Get ready for adrenaline-pumping roller coasters and all the churros your heart desires. From Batman, the ride to Superman. El Ultimo Escape thrills await. Head to Bugs Bunny Boomtown for child-friendly rides and Looney Tunes characters. Feeling brave? Try the Medusa Steel Coaster with 10 inversions. I'm getting dizzy just thinking about it. Not into coasters? Enjoy shows, games, and attractions. Six Flags. Mexico has something for everyone. Be prepared to scream and create unforgettable memories with your little treasures. Okay guys, picture this. You are cruising down a network of canals on these vibrant, colourful boats, mariachi music filling the air, and the smell of delicious Mexican food wafting all around you. That is our third destination, Xochimilco. This place is like stepping into a postcard, and it's an absolute must-do with children in Mexico City. The boats themselves, called Trajineras, are like floating parties. They are big enough for the whole family to spread out, and often they are decorated with beautiful flowers and even have their own names. You can hire a boat with a guide who will tell you all about the history of Xochimilco, or you can just relax and soak up the atmosphere. And speaking of atmosphere, Xochimilco is full of life. You will see vendors selling everything from snacks and drinks to handcrafted souvenirs. You can even have a full mariachi band hop on your boat and serenade you. It is such a fun and festive experience. And don't forget to try some mesquites. That is a popular Mexican street food made with corn, and it is seriously delicious. trust me, Xochimilco is a pleasure overload in the best possible way, and your children will love it. Alright guys, get ready to unleash your inner child at spot number 4, Kidzania. This place is basically a mini city designed entirely for children, and it is amazing. Imagine a place where children get to try out different professions, earn their own money, and basically rule the roost. That is exactly what Kidzania is. Children can choose from over 70 different professions, from firefighters and doctors to pilots and even YouTubers. They get to wear the uniforms, learn about the job, and even earn kidzos, which is the currency in Kidzania. They can then spend their hard-earned kidzos on fun activities and experiences. But here is the really cool part. Kidzania is designed to teach children valuable life skills like teamwork, problem solving, and financial literacy, all while they are having a blast. It is seriously a win-win for everyone involved. Kidzania is a day trip your children will never forget. Now I know what you are thinking, a museum with children, but trust me on this one, everyone. Number 5 on our list is the National Museum of Anthropology in Mexico City. And it is not your average stuffy museum. It is a fascinating journey through Mexico's rich history and culture, and it is surprisingly child-friendly. The museum is huge, with different sections dedicated to different periods of Mexican history. You will find incredible artifacts from ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and the Mayans, including giant stone carvings, intricate jewelry, and even a replica of a Mayan tomb. The museum does a fantastic job of bringing history to life. There are interactive exhibits, models, and even dioramas that make it easy for children and adults to understand and appreciate the information. Plus, the museum's architecture is stunning. It is built around a courtyard with a giant umbrella-like fountain in the center. This is a great place for children to take a break and soak up the atmosphere. So don't write off museums just yet. The National Museum of Anthropology is an educational and engaging experience for the whole family. Okay guys, get ready for some serious fun. Because next up at number 6 is La Feria de Chapultepec. This place is like a classic amusement park, jam-packed with rides and games that are perfect for children of all ages. We are talking roller coasters for the thrill seekers, carousels for the little ones, and everything in between. You could spend a whole day here and still not experience everything. Plus, you know I love a good deal, and La Feria is super affordable, especially compared to some amusement parks. It is a great way to have a fun-filled day without breaking the bank. Imagine your children's faces when they see the towering roller coasters against the Mexico City sky. And can you picture their giggles as they spin on the teacups or try their luck at the carnival games? So much to do. Don't forget to grab some yummy snacks and treats while you are there. They have all the classic amusement park food, from churros to ice cream, so you can keep your energy levels up for a day of non-stop fun. La Feria de Chapultepec is a total win for a family day out. Alright guys, for Destination 7, let's talk about Chapultepec Park, one of my all-time favorite places in Mexico City. This park is humongous, over 2,000 acres, filled with amazing things to see and do. Just like our last place, you could easily spend an entire day here and still not experience everything on offer. It is free to enter, which is totally amazing. Once inside, you have got options. Playgrounds for the little ones, a zoo, peaceful walking trails and grassy areas perfect for a picnic. Instagram-worthy spots, sunshine and fresh air, children running around, paddle boats on the lake and a castle with history. Street food vendors from esquites to churros, so come hungry. Chapultepec Park is a must visit. Believe me, I know you won't regret it. Okay, you guys know I love a good museum, and at number 8, the Sumaya Museum in Mexico City is a must-see. First of all, the building itself is a work of art. It is this crazy, modern, shiny structure designed by the same architect who designed the Guggenheim in Bilbao, Spain. Seriously, you will want to get your cameras ready because this place is picture-worthy from every angle. But the best part, the Sumaya Museum is completely free to enter. That's right, you can experience world-class art without spending a single bean. They have an incredible collection of over 66,000 pieces spanning 30 centuries of art. Inside you will find everything from European masters like Rodin, Dali and Van Gogh to Mexican art and pre-Hispanic pieces. It's a real mix, and it's amazing to see it all in one place. Even if you are not a huge art buff, I promise you will be impressed by the Sumaya Museum. It's a beautiful and inspiring place to spend an afternoon in the shade, and the fact that it is free makes it even better. Number 9 on our list is Alameda Central, a true oasis in the heart of the city. This historic park dates back to the 1500s. Today, it is perfect for families to relax and have fun, full of lush greenery, colourful flowers and beautiful fountains. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along shaded pathways. Children can enjoy the many playgrounds. Alameda Central is vibrant and full of energy. Families picnic, street performers entertain, and vendors sell snacks. Experience the local culture and lively atmosphere. A must visit for fresh air and fun. A true gem in the heart of the city. Our final must visit spot for families with children in Mexico City is a place that is all about imagination, exploration and sensory fun. El Laberinto de los Sentidos, or the Labyrinth of the Senses. This unique museum is a fantastic place for children of all ages to learn and play through interactive exhibits. El Laberinto de los Sentidos encourages children to use their senses of touch, smell, sight and hearing to navigate through different themed rooms and challenges. There are rooms filled with fascinating textures, aromatic scents and intriguing sounds. It is a true feast for the senses. One of the things that makes this museum so special is its focus on hands-on learning. The children are encouraged to touch, explore and experiment, making it a truly immersive and engaging experience. They might be solving puzzles, navigating mazes, or creating their own works of art using light and shadow. El Laberinto de los Sentidos is a wonderful way to spark your child's curiosity, encourage creativity, and create lasting memories. It is the perfect way to end your family adventure in Mexico City on a high note. And there you have it, our top 10 child-friendly spots in Mexico City. From exciting theme parks to interactive museums and beautiful parks, this city has something for everyone in the family. We hope you found this video helpful and that you and your family have an amazing time exploring these fantastic destinations. Mexico City is a vibrant and welcoming city that is sure to capture the hearts of travelers of all ages. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below about your favorite cities to take your children. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more travel guides and tips. Thank you for watching Travel World. It's goodbye from me, Emily. See you in the next video.